Hello, this is GeForce Josh. We're going to be doing a unboxing today. I got a DJI Action 4 as well as a DJI microphone transmitter. And that's it. That's all you have to do to open it. So in here we have the USB to USB-C charger. There's nothing else. Now this was a standard pack. I did not buy anything else with this stuff. Okay, so that is a pretty small microphone, which is good. You do not want these things to be big. Okay, so there is what looks like a plastic aux piece plug in right here. It is not an actual aux piece, this just covers the microphone. I brought this charger with me. So this is a Samsung super fast charging. I use this when I go camping and I need to charge my phone. It does charge this. So there are some things that will not charge on this. This will charge on Samsung fast charger. We're going to turn it on, see if it has any battery power. So we're going to see if this is recording my voice throughout the rest of the video. If it is, great. If not, then I do not know how that actually is supposed to work. So I connected it. It does connect to Bluetooth, but it says connected to calls only. So oddly enough, out of all the things that is not in a box is the camera itself. So here is the camera. I'm going to keep the camera itself covered for the time being. So let's open our accessories. So it looks like you get a package of DJI stickers, which is really neat. Slides over, and that is where your battery would go. And on the other side, push in, pull down, open it, and that is where you'd charge it. So assume the battery is in the center of this. That is very solid. Alright, so I got the GoPro set up. Alright, so I'm really hoping that this is using my mic. You can see the wire right here. It does stick out that I will have to figure out how to fix in the future. Okay, so I actually do bring my house in my house. I bring my bike in the house a lot more often than what it probably seems. I don't just do it for video, I do it for fun too. Ooh. Alright, so the reason why I'm on the motorcycle should be some pretty good stuff coming. That is a cop directly behind me.